Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch robotic vacuums that also double as mops. In one corner, we have the Roborock Q7 Max, and in the other corner, we have the Roomba Combo J5. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to cleaning power, both the Roborock Q7 Max and the Roomba Combo J5 have impressive features. The Q7 Max boasts an incredible maximum suction power of 4,200 pascals, which easily lifts debris and pet hair from floors, drags it from cracks, and draws it from carpets. Additionally, it can vacuum and mop simultaneously, thanks to its electronic pump and 30 water flow levels. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 offers the same powerful vacuum technology as the Roomba J7, with the added benefit of a mop. Its 4-stage cleaning system pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides, making it a comprehensive cleaning solution. When it comes to navigation and mapping, the Roborock Q7 Max takes the lead with its PreciSense LiDAR navigation. This technology builds precise 3D maps of your home, allowing for accurate monitoring of cleaning routes. You can even virtually recreate your home by adding furnishings and flooring materials. The Roomba Combo J5, on the other hand, uses advanced navigation and 2 cleaning passes to navigate your home in neat, efficient rows for a thorough clean without missing a spot. When it comes to convenience, both products have their unique advantages. The Roborock Q7 Max combines its dustbin and water tank, allowing you to clean more without worrying about emptying or refilling. It also offers a long-lasting cleaning experience, running for up to 180 minutes on a single charge. The Roomba Combo J5, on the other hand, offers the option to convert from a vacuum to a vacuum and mop solution with a simple switch of a bin. It also allows you to create no-mop zones and avoid mopping carpets, keeping them dry. Based on online reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max and the Roomba Combo J5 have received positive feedback overall. Here are some sentiments from reviewers. Reviewers of the Roborock Q7 Max praised its cleaning power, efficient navigation, and convenient features. On the other hand, reviewers of the Roomba Combo J5 appreciated its thorough cleaning, intelligent navigation, and the ability to designate specific cleaning areas. Both products have their strengths and weaknesses, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it. The Roborock Q7 Max and the Roomba Combo J5 are both incredible robotic vacuums that also double as mops. Each product excels in different categories, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.